Hi, I'm Sue Haver, and this is my colleague Beth Hetzler. We'd like to talk to you today about information visualization and show you one of our tools.
Imagine a very large set of documents as an information space that you'd like to explore. One effective visualization might be a map that presents an organized view or structure. It helps the user explore, comprehend, and remember the content of the information space. Another visualization might show how that content changes over time.
Our ThemeRiver visualization helps users recognize change in patterns and trends in a collection of documents. A river of themes flows from left to right across time. Each theme appears as a current in the river. For example, this band represents the theme reform. When the theme is not represented at all in the underlying documents, its current contracts to nothing. And when the theme is strongly present, the current expands proportionately. Since the river structure is less obvious when the river contains too many or too few currents, the user works with a subset of themes in each river.
The data in this visualization is speeches by, interviews of, and stories about Fidel Castro, spanning a 40-year period from 1959 to 1998. This was an interesting period in terms of economics, history, and politics. To create the visualization, we took a collection of documents and we sorted them over time. Then we analyzed the thematic content to measure changes in thematic strength.
Let's take a closer look at the theme river of these documents. We'll start by scanning the river, looking for changes or patterns. Notice that some topics seem to persist over time because they're recurring or constant themes. For instance, this reform band is present almost every month. And here's the band for sugarcane and another for imperialists. Changes in the river are easy to spot. New theme patterns might reflect key events or changes in the economic or political climate. Note the sudden appearance and wide expansion of this band on the theme of oil in June 1960. Users want to see relationships between the document themes and real-world events. This event marker points out that the oil theme appeared and expanded just before Castro confiscated American oil refineries.
The timeline and event markers give us one form of context. Users also want to see how changes in one set of themes relate to changes in a different set of themes. Here, the upper river shows Fidel Castro data from 1990. The lower river shows news documents from that same year. We can see interesting similarities and differences in these two rivers. Sometimes change isn't readily explained by known events. Here we saw a sudden appearance of the topics Kennedy and missiles in 1992. On investigation, we found that this corresponded with the 30-year anniversary of the Cuban Missile Crisis, and so we added this event to the timeline. This process of seeing unexpected changes, which suggests questions to explore, gives users new insights into the collection.
The need to address information overload and to understand changes over time is universal. ThemeRiver might help in exploring a wide range of subjects such as technical literature, historical writings, medical information, or market research. The ThemeRiver visualization helps users question the unexpected, recognize persistent themes, gain insight into cause and effect, and discover important patterns and trends.